Brazil is often portrayed as a land of football, samba, and stunning beaches. But beyond the cliches, this country is full of strange, fascinating, and downright unbelievable facts that you probably never learned in school. Today, we're diving into the heart of South America to uncover the most mind-blowing facts about Brazil, the kind that will make you say, "Wait, what?" Let's start with something colossal. Fact 1. Brazil once had a river that ran backwards. In 2009, a powerful earthquake in the South Atlantic caused the Amazon River, one of the largest rivers in the world, to temporarily reverse its flow. That's right. The mighty Amazon literally started flowing backward for hundreds of miles. This phenomenon was caused by the seismic waves shifting the terrain and creating a ripple effect in the river's flow. Scientists recorded the water moving in reverse using satellite data. It's a rare reminder that even the most powerful natural systems can get flipped on their heads. Fact 2. There's an island in Brazil where humans aren't allowed. Welcome to Snake Island, officially known as Ilha da Queimada Grande. It's one of the most dangerous places on Earth, not because of predators or terrain, but because of snakes. This island is home to the golden lancehead viper, one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Estimates suggest there's one snake for every square meter. The government has banned visitors, and only scientists with special permission are allowed to study the snakes from a safe distance. Fact 3. Brazil has a hidden desert. Yes, a desert in a tropical country. It's called Lençóis Maranhenses, and it looks like something from another planet. Massive white sand dunes stretch across the landscape, but here's the twist. During the rainy season, crystal-clear lagoons form between the dunes. These lagoons are temporary, warm, and teeming with fish that appear almost out of nowhere. The desert floods just enough to create a surreal landscape found nowhere else in the world. Fact 4. There's a city in Brazil where it rains spiders. In the city of Espírito Santo do Dourado, locals and visitors have witnessed a bizarre event: spiders descending from the sky. During warm, humid evenings, thousands of spiders use a technique called ballooning to travel using silk threads. When the air currents are just right, they appear to float down like creepy rain. Scientists say it's harmless and natural, but if you're arachnophobic, maybe skip this part of Brazil. Fact 5. Brazil's capital was built in the shape of an airplane. Brasília, the modernist capital of Brazil, was designed in the late 1950s and completed in just over 3 years. Seen from above, the city's layout resembles an airplane or bird. The idea was to represent progress and flight into the future. Streets are organized by function. One area for government, one for hotels, one for commerce. It's one of the few cities in the world built entirely from a futuristic urban plan. And it's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Fact 6. There's a tribe in Brazil that was completely unknown until the 21st century. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, satellite images and aerial surveillance revealed tribes that had never made contact with the outside world. One of these groups, the Kawahiva people, lives a nomadic lifestyle, avoiding all contact. To this day, the Brazilian government has protected their territory and strictly limits access. They survive using traditional tools, hunting techniques, and knowledge passed down for generations. Their existence challenges our assumptions about modern life and what it means to live untouched by globalization. Fact 7. There's a river in Brazil that boils. The Chennai Timpishka River, also known as the Boiling River, reaches temperatures of up to 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to cook small animals alive, and it does. The source of this extreme heat isn't volcanic. Scientists believe underground geothermal activity heats the water, creating a deadly, steaming river in the heart of the jungle. It's one of only a few known boiling rivers in the world, and the only one in a rainforest. Fact 8. Brazil has its own Atlantis. Off the coast of Brazil, near the Rio Grande elevation, scientists discovered granite structures deep underwater that resemble ancient ruins. While not the mythical Atlantis, some researchers believe it could be part of a submerged continent or landmass that existed millions of years ago before South America fully separated from Africa. It's a mystery still being explored, but it sparked global headlines and wild theories. Fact 9. There's a beach in Brazil with sand that sings. In the state of Bahia, there's a beach called Praia do Encanto, the beach of enchantment. When you walk on certain areas of the sand, it produces a high-pitched squeaking sound. The phenomenon is caused by the specific grain size and composition of the sand, combined with the right moisture level and pressure. It's not just poetic, it's real science with a musical twist. Fact 10. Brazil has a forest that's underwater. The Lagoa Misteriosa, mysterious lagoon, in Brazil is a deep, clear blue sinkhole surrounded by lush vegetation. What makes it bizarre? Beneath the surface lies a submerged forest. Divers have discovered trees, branches, and root systems preserved underwater. Some say it feels like swimming through an ancient sunken forest. The lake's depth and crystal clarity make it one of the most unique diving spots in the world. Fact 11. Brazil was once part of a supercontinent, and it fits like a puzzle. Geologists have shown that if you take the northeast coast of Brazil and match it to the west coast of Africa, they fit almost perfectly. That's because they were once part of the same landmass, Gondwana. This connection explains why fossils and rock formations in Brazil and Africa are nearly identical, even though they're now separated by the Atlantic Ocean. It's physical proof of continental drift, and Brazil is a key part of the puzzle. Fact 12. In Brazil, there's a festival where people throw flour at each other. Forget water balloons. In Brazil's northeast, the Carnival of Olinda includes a bizarre tradition called Batalha do Confete e Farinha, the Battle of Confetti and Flour. Revelers throw handfuls of flour at each other while dancing in colorful costumes. You'll end the day looking like a powdered donut. But it's all part of the fun. It's messy, it's wild, it's 100% Brazilian. Fact 13. Brazil is home to the world's largest Japanese population outside Japan. In São Paulo, there's a neighborhood called Liberdade, which is home to hundreds of thousands of Japanese Brazilians. The community began forming in the early 20th century, and today it's a cultural hub full of Japanese restaurants, shops, festivals, and even bilingual signs. It's a blend of cultures that feels both global and uniquely Brazilian. So, what did we learn about Brazil? It's a country where rivers boil, spiders fall from the sky, and ancient civilizations sleep beneath the waves. It's a place of paradoxes, where deserts flood, cities take flight, and the past and present exist side by side in the jungle. If you thought Brazil was only about beaches and football, think again. Which of these Brazilian facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join us for more unbelievable facts from around the world. This is Curiosity AI, where the world's strangest stories come to life.